Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can verify your identity or your Face ID on Cash App. So let's get right into it. Now, you might be using some functionalities which require an identity verification, and that's very easily done in Cash App. I'll be using the support article to explain to you guys, since Cash App is not allowed in my region, so it is what it is. I hope you guys can follow along without me showing you guys how you can do it. And this guide is very well made, so there should be no problems. But you need to verify your ID if you're trying to send or receive more than $1,000 per a 7-week period, or if you want to receive or send more than $1,500 total. If you want your cash card, you also need to verify your ID. You also need it for Bitcoin and stock trading, and you also need it if you wish to sponsor someone ages 13 to 17. Then, to actually identify yourself and verify your identification, you can go to your profile in the top right of the screen, choose security and privacy, click on identity verification. If you're not verified, click on verify, and you'll need to provide your legal name, your date of birth, as well as the last 4 digits of your SSN or your social security number. In some cases, they might request your full social security number, residential address, as well as a valid government issued ID with a photo, and or income verification or source funds if you're dealing in a business account. And that is pretty much it. There's really nothing else I want to add to this. Again, I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys, but it is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.